Assalamu alaikum students. I hope all of you are fine and you are enjoying summer holidays very well. Today we will do activity 3 part 2. Yesterday we have discussed about 3 inventors. First one is Albert Sadeka, who invented Christmas tree in 1917, Louis Braille, who invented Braille system in 1819, and third is Frank Apperson, who invented popsicle in 1905. Now we will discuss about Chester Greenwood and Margaret Knight. First of all, I will tell you about Chester Greenwood. So listen this carefully. Students, this is Chester Greenwood. Students, Chester Greenwood invented the earmuffs. But how did he invent this? I will tell you. So listen this carefully. Students, Chester Greenwood, when he was 15 years old, in 1873, one day he was ice skating. It was a very cold day, his ears got cold. Chester had a clever idea. He asked his grandma to sew some fur tufts to a wire loop that he had fashioned. Students, in this picture there is fur tufts and a wire loop. So finally he invented earmuffs. After this, these earmuffs were made in his hometown of Farmington, Maine. Many people did job in the Farmington area for 60 years. Students, now we will read about Margaret Knight. Students, Margaret Knight is another young person who became a small town hero. Margaret Knight invented the flat bottom paper bag. She made her first life-saving device at the age of 12. Now why did she invent this? I will tell you. One day when she was visiting her brother who was working in a textile mill, one loom machine broke down and its shuttle hit a worker and the worker was injured. She then fixed the machine by creating a device that prevented the shuttle from falling off. This safety device became a standard fixture on looms. Her method was later used in many factories, so she saved a lot of lives. She made paper bag through this machine, and we still use the paper bag design that she created in 1868. Students, today we have discussed about Chester Greenwood, who made earmuffs during winter season when he was ice skating in 1873, and Margaret Knight, who invented the flat bottom paper bag in 1868. In this way she saved a lot of lives. Students, at the end of this lesson, the author said that some young people feel powerless, but the truth is that everyone has the power to change the world. A 12-year-old girl growing up in 1868 made factories safer, a 15-year-old boy blind in both eyes. But he made written communication more accessible. An 11-year-old boy forgot to put away his drink and it froze. Now who knows what's in store for your future? What will you do in your future? So continue your effort and never lose heart. Maybe one day you will become a great inventor like these inventors. So think about them. Students, now look at these MCQs. We have done 5 MCQs yesterday. Now we will do 6. Look at this. Which statement about Chester Greenwood is false? Students, yesterday I have told you some information about Chester Greenwood. Now which information is false? You have to read these sentences carefully and circle the correct option. Question number 7 is about Margaret Knight, who was 12 years old. आपने इसमें ये बताना है कि मार्गरेट इनाइट ने जो इन्वेंशन की थी उसके पीछे रीज़न क्या थी. सो यू हैव टू रीड दीज सेंटेंसेस केयरफुली एंड सर्कल द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. Now look at question number 8. This is about the author who has written this passage. इसमें आपने ये बताना है कि ऑथर जो है वो किस स्टेटमेंट को डिसएग्री करता है. सो रीड दिस सेंटेंसेस एंड सर्कल द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. Question number 9 is which lesson can readers learn from this text? So you have to circle the correct option. Question number 10 is which advice would the author most likely give to young people? So you have to read these sentences carefully and circle the correct option. Students, read this passage again and again, then you can easily find out the answers. So do this work by yourself. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.